Heroes of Tomorrow, the unbelievable machines redefining search and rescue. In 2017 alone, the United States National Park Service was faced with nearly 3,500 search and rescue missions across its sprawling national parks. Today, a new era dawns as technology strides to the forefront, reshaping search and rescue efforts by uniting human expertise with unmanned aerial robots or drones. Brace yourself as we unveil the extraordinary machines revolutionizing search and rescue operations. This is Titan Tech Trends. But before we delve deeper, ensure you're part of our community by subscribing, smashing that like button, and ringing the notifications bell to keep up with our thrilling updates. 1. Atlas Lifter Drone. The Atlas Lifter Drone is a cutting-edge UAV engineered for swift deployment in search and rescue operations. Equipped with advanced robotic arms and safety harness system, this heavy-duty drone excels at lifting and transporting injured individuals to safety. Its precision and strength make it a vital asset in critical situations, ensuring efficient and secure evacuation of those in need. The Atlas Lifter drone stands as a beacon of innovation, revolutionizing the landscape of search and rescue missions with its unparalleled capabilities and unwavering commitment to saving lives. 2. Boston Dynamics Spot. Boston Dynamics Spot is a handy four-legged robot that can navigate challenging terrain, making it an ideal tool for locating victims in areas unsafe for human rescuers. With 360-degree perception and athletic intelligence, Spot can handle various tasks, from factory floors to construction sites, research labs, and beyond. Spot's payload capacity, robust API, and comprehensive documentation allow for customization to specific needs, and it can be equipped with additional payload and software options from Boston Dynamics and its partner ecosystem. 3. Hydronalix EMILY. Imagine a lifeguard's worst nightmare: a swimmer in distress, far from shore, and the lifeguard is too far away to reach them in time. This is where Hydronalix's EMILY comes in. A remote-controlled water rescue drone that can travel at high speeds, reaching distressed swimmers in mere minutes, much faster than even the most dedicated human lifeguards. Its design allows it to be deployed from land, boats, or helicopters, making it a versatile tool for various water rescue scenarios. Once on the scene, EMILY can tow a swimmer to safety using its built-in tether system, which can be controlled remotely by a rescue operator. 4. Sherp ATV. This is an engineering marvel, a true amphibious beast that conquers the most challenging terrains with ease. The Sherp ATV, with its Herculean capabilities, doesn't just cross rivers, it becomes one with the water, maintaining a steady speed and course, undeterred by the current's strength. But the Sherp ATV's prowess doesn't end with its amphibious capabilities. This all-terrain vehicle is designed to reach isolated victims, no matter how inaccessible the location. With its high ground clearance, massive tires, and low center of gravity, the Sherp ATV can scale vertical inclines, crawl through dense forests, and forge its own path through the wilderness. 5. DJI Matrix 300 RTK. With its innovative thermal imaging and zoom cameras, the DJI Matrix 300 RTK is designed to find lost individuals in challenging environments. It's not just a drone, it's a tool that combines intelligence with high performance, setting a new standard in the industry. This drone is equipped with a range of advanced features, including 6 directional sensing and positioning, up to 55 minutes of flight time, and the ability to mount up to 3 payloads simultaneously. It's a versatile machine, ready to take on any aerial operation, no matter how complex or challenging. 6. Ocean Alpha USV. These high-tech vessels, equipped with advanced searching, data, communication, and rescue modules, can easily navigate treacherous waters, locating and aiding survivors in record time. Not only do they enhance safety for rescue teams, but they also significantly reduce labor costs and improve operational efficiency. With the ability to form fleets and conduct large-scale investigations, Ocean Alpha's USVs are paving the way for a safer, more efficient future in maritime search and rescue operations. 7. Hovercraft Neoteric Rescue. The Neoteric Rescue Hovercraft is a marvel of modern engineering. Designed to excel in flood rescue operations, its unique design allows it to move seamlessly over water, mud, and land without leaving a footprint, making it an invaluable tool in disaster relief efforts. One of the most notable deployments in the Neoteric Rescue Hovercraft was during the devastating floods that hit the Midwest United States in 2023. The hovercraft was used to rescue hundreds of people stranded in their homes and on rooftops, as well as transporting medical personnel and supplies to areas that were inaccessible by land or water. 8. Snow Bear. Integrated with insulated walls, heating systems, and comfortable seating, the Snow Bear provides a cozy refuge for rescued individuals, shielding them from the biting cold. Beyond its comforting interior, the Snow Bear is armed with essential rescue gear, including life-saving tools, communication devices, and emergency supplies ready to spring into action at a moment's notice. Take, for instance, a scenario where a hiker falls through thin ice. Stranded and shivering in the frigid waters, the Snow Bear is employed at that moment, with its lights cutting through the darkness as it glides effortlessly over the frozen expanse. 9. SeaTech Firefly. Designed with enhanced efficiency and precision, the SeaTech Firefly locates individuals in challenging environments such as forest fires or natural disaster zones. This unique drone is equipped with cutting-edge LiDAR, light detection and ranging, and thermal imaging capabilities. However, LiDAR technology on the SeaTech Firefly utilizes laser pulses to create detailed 3D maps of the surrounding terrain. This allows the drone to move through complex landscapes with unparalleled accuracy, identifying obstacles and accurately locating individuals. 10. Rescue Runner. For search and rescue operations in shallow waters, the Rescue Runner is explicitly designed for it. It's a compact and lightweight vessel that can easily maneuver through narrow and shallow waterways. With a powerful jet drive propulsion system, the Rescue Runner can reach speeds up to 35 knots, making it one of the fastest boats in its class. This means that rescuers can quickly reach the emergency scene and provide life-saving assistance to those in need. Besides that, it's also incredibly stable and easy to handle, even in rough waters. 11. Titan Submarine. Crafted from the finest carbon fiber, Titan Submarine is not just a submersible, but a marvel of engineering designed for underwater search and rescue missions. With its ability to plunge to depths of 4,000 meters, the Titan fearlessly explores the abyss, making it one of the world's most advanced submersibles. However, with high-tech lighting piercing the darkness, sonar guiding its path, and 4K cameras capturing every moment, the Titan reveals the unseen, bringing the wonders of the deep to light. 12. Lockheed Martin Indigo 3. Have you ever seen a super smart flying machine packed with spy-like abilities? Lockheed Martin Indigo 3 is a small drone that's easy to carry around and unfolds in a snap, ready to soar into action. But don't let its size fool you. This little wonder is tough as nails, built to brave any weather or terrain. And get this, it's so quiet and discreet that you might not even notice it zipping by. But here's where it gets really cool. You can customize it with different gadgets, like high-tech cameras that snap crystal clear photos and videos, no matter the weather. Plus, it's got this nifty feature that lets it track targets all on its own, taking the load off the operator's shoulder during tricky missions. And don't even get me started on its performance. This baby can stay in the air for up to 50 minutes, covering a whopping 10 kilometers, and zip along at a speedy 40 kilometers per hour. 13. Argo J8 Atlas. Made by the geniuses at Argo Space, Robotics, and Defensive Division, this machine is built to tackle the toughest challenges, from military missions to disaster relief efforts. And with its modular design, you can customize it with all sorts of high-tech gadgets, like super-powered cameras and sensors to suit your mission needs. Now for its specification. It's nearly 3 meters long, over 1 meter wide, and can handle payloads heavier than a small car, both on land and in the water. And thanks to its electric motor and fancy batteries, it can power through any weather, no matter how extreme. 14. Saab CI Falcon. The Falcon is a superhero of the seas, built to withstand the harshest conditions and perform complex search and rescue operations. With its advanced maneuverability, it can weave through sunken ships, navigate around underwater cliffs, and dance with dolphins. But don't be fooled by its graceful movements. The Falcon means business. Its powerful LED lights illuminate the darkest corners of the ocean, revealing hidden treasures or potential hazards. And when it comes to heavy lifting, this little guy punches above its weight class. With its robotic arms, it can hoist objects that would leave a human diver gasping for air. 15. Rewalk Robotics Exoskeleton. Rewalk Robotics Exoskeleton is a groundbreaking wearable system empowering paralyzed individuals to walk, offering hope in disaster scenarios. This innovative exoskeleton, with its bionic assistance, not only enables mobility, but also symbolizes resilience and the triumph of human ingenuity over adversity. In the face of challenges, the Rewalk exoskeleton stands as a beacon of technological marvel, embodying the fusion of human determination and cutting-edge robotics to redefine possibilities and restore independence. 16. Elastair Safety 2. With the Elastair Safety 2 tethered drone system, you can step into the future of aerial surveillance. This system is packed with innovation. It's compatible with top-notch drones like the DJI Matrix 350, ensuring it's both versatile and reliable. But what really makes it stand out are its unique features, like the secure dual comms option and patented brake system, which keep your data safe and your drone under control even in the most intense situations. And speaking of its endurance, with continuous flight time, this system is like having a vigilant guardian hovering above, ready to act at a moment's notice. Plus, its rigid design means it can handle any mission you throw its way, no matter how tough. 17. Zodiac MilPro C-Rib Responder. This high-speed, rigid, inflatable boat has earned a global reputation for its toughness and top-notch performance in any ocean condition. What makes it stand out? Well, imagine a boat that's not just tough, but practically indestructible. That's thanks to its heavy-duty neoprene hypalon collar, specifically designed by Zodiac with some fancy valves to keep it going strong for years to come. But here's the thing, this isn't your average pleasure craft. The C-Rib Responder is built for the pros, the folks who make their living on the water. It's packed with features tailored specifically for military and professional use, making it the go-to choice for those who demand the best. However, this boat has been put through its paces in some serious situations, from daring Coast Guard rescues to high-stakes military ops. Its rugged build and ability to take on the toughest marine environments make it the perfect tool for the job, no matter what. 18. Firefly Aerospace. This groundbreaking technology, which has completed the development and assembly of its composite structure and fluid systems, is a testament to Firefly's in-house manufacturing and test facilities. The lander's core components, including panels, struts, legs, harnesses, avionics, batteries, and thrusters, were designed and built in-house using flight-proven carbon fiber, ensuring lightweight, stronger-than-metal structures. The Blue Ghost lander's first mission, slated for 2024, will carry commercial and government payloads, including 10 NASA-sponsored instruments to Mare Crisium on the Moon's near side, conducting diverse technology demonstrations such as regolith sample collection, global navigation satellite system abilities, radiation-tolerant computing, and lunar dust mitigation. However, the potential applications of this technology extend beyond lunar missions. Firefly Aerospace is adapting the Blue Ghost lander for Earth-based search and rescue missions in extreme, unreachable terrains, opening up new possibilities for emergency response and disaster relief. 19. Aerion Skyranger R70. With an ability to operate at altitudes up to 15,000 feet and withstand winds of up to 65 km per hour sustained, 90 km per hour gusting, this drone pushes the boundaries of small, unmanned aerial systems, performance, and reliability. The Skyranger R70 is equipped with advanced optics and thermal sensors, enabling it to locate individuals under challenging terrains or conditions, making it an invaluable tool for search and rescue operations, border patrol, and other surveillance missions. Its open architecture and advanced autonomy, powered by multiple embedded NVIDIA TX2 processors, allow for real-time artificial intelligence at the network edge, including object detection and classification. The R70's class-leading imaging and multi-mission payload capabilities, with a carrying capacity of up to 3.5 kilograms, provide Group 2 ISR in a Group 1 UAS, enabling a wide range of payload options and applications. 20. Aqua Eye. Besides being a groundbreaking handheld sonar device revolutionizing water rescue efforts, this advanced technology swiftly scans and identifies human bodies underwater, enhancing rescue operations significantly. By utilizing innovative sonar and artificial intelligence, Aqua Eye offers rapid and precise detection, which is crucial in critical situations. Its ability to scan vast water areas in minutes, determine depth, and locate victims swiftly is paramount. Aqua Eye not only aids in rescue, but also recovery missions, showcasing its versatility and impact on water safety. With its innovative features and life-saving capabilities, Aqua Eye stands as a beacon of hope in aquatic emergencies. Conclusion. However, with these machines, search and rescue missions become much easier and faster. So what do you think about these machines? Let's hear your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more engaging videos like this.